Nagpal Industries. Number 1. In corrugated machinery and technologies. This is the Kappa Board Making Plant, a state-of-the-art machine designed for high-speed, precision manufacturing of Kappa boards, which are widely used in packaging, bookbinding, and various industrial applications. We are assembling this plant with top-quality components and advanced automation, ensuring seamless operation and maximum efficiency for your production needs. Whether you are in the packaging industry, a book manufacturer, or involved in large-scale board production, this plant is engineered to deliver strong, durable, multi-layered corrugated boards with minimal waste and high consistency. With an intelligent control system and an intuitive user interface, this plant allows for seamless monitoring and adjustments, reducing manual intervention and improving overall workflow. Equipped with energy-efficient motors and precision cutting mechanisms, it ensures uniform thickness and smooth edges, making it ideal for applications requiring high-quality finishes. The modular design also enables easy maintenance and upgrades, allowing you to adapt to changing market demands without significant downtime. Our Kappa Board Making Plant is capable of producing boards at an impressive speed, ensuring you can meet high demand while maintaining superior quality. From processing raw materials to bonding multiple layers with precision, every step in this machine is optimized for performance, durability, and efficiency. If you're looking to expand your production capacity or invest in a cutting-edge corrugated board manufacturing system, this is the perfect solution. Contact us today for more details and let us help you take your business to the next level. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +91 9810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.